Hi guys, guess what's behind my back? It's something very Christmassy, and we're gonna use these markers.
Let's see what is it.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1. It's a Christmas cup that we can color.
It's paint your own mug, Christmas mug. Let's do it.
Yeah. First, let's open it.
Good.
Now,
What does it have in?
it has paint, a paintbrush, the rules, and the mug.
Okay, but we're not gonna be using paint. We're going to use
Markers.
these paint markers instead.
Let's start.
Okay, let's have a look at the mug and let's decide what colors you're gonna go with.
I'm definitely gonna go with this color for the reindeer.
Yes. Yeah, what else? There is Santa Claus.
I'm gonna use red.
Red for it,
Yeah.
for his clothes. There's some presents, there's some bubbles, and there is a Christmas tree in the middle, I think.
Yeah.
And there is ho 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 as well. Okay, let's do it.
Yeah. Red, I'm gonna use red first.
Okay, go for it.
For Santa Claus.
Wow, very nice. It's very easy with the markers, isn't it?
Yeah.
Much easier than the paintbrush. Wow, I love this red color. It's so bright. Wow, we can start to see Santa wearing his red clothes. So beautiful. Well done.
The clothes are done, now it's the hat.
Okay. And today we chose to sit on the carpet on this mattress and work. Christian did not want to be sitting at the table. He wants to be doing it on this mattress. Oh, the hat is done. Santa is ready. Let's do the other stuff.
We're doing the presents.
We did 2 presents so far. Now the third one. Chris used blue and orange. Now he's using green. And let's see what other color he'll be using after. Beautiful. We love presents, isn't it? Do you love presents, Christian?
Definitely.
Yes. What do you like the most when you receive a present? Is
Toys.
Is it the opening of the present or the present itself that is inside?
The toys.
The toy? What is your best toy?
My best one is Pokemon cards.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna do the ho-ho in black.
Okay. Ho, ho, ho. Who you met today at the shopping center?
Santa.
Okay. And what you did with him?
Had photos. I'm gonna use the black for the ho-ho.
Ho, ho, ho. Wow.
Ho, ho, ho.
Yeah. What about the O? Different color?
Yeah, different color.
What is it?
I'm gonna use the red.
Good. Good choice. So Chris has done Santa, the presents, and doing the ho ho ho. And we will continue everything around this mug to complete it.
I'm gonna leave some tea in this mug for Santa on Christmas Eve.
Okay, and some cookies too?
Yes.
Okay, and
With in my Christmas plate.
okay, and what you gonna leave for the reindeers? Maybe
Carrots.
they might be hungry too, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And now I'm gonna do the stars in the middle of the ho ho ho.
With which color?
Green.
Okay.
Because it's the Christmas colors.
Okay.
Red and green.
Yes. Good choice. 1 star, 2 stars, and 3 stars.
I'm using green for the Christmas tree.
Okay.
Not just green, more colors than just green.
Okay. So green for the branches and different colors for the decoration. And what color for the star already?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Now it's time for the reindeer. I'm going to use this color because it's the closest to brown.
Okay.
It's like a beige.
Yeah, that's fine. This is the closest to brown, so we can use it. What a beautiful reindeer. It looks like light brown, actually. And it's beautiful.
It looks like a beige light brown mixed together.
And this reindeer has stars on his body.
I've done elf, that's sleighing, and the reindeer.
Yeah. Okay.
Reindeer, elf.
Show us elf. Wow. Good. Now still have a little bit more to do of the ornament and the mug will be done. We're almost there. Let's continue.
Yeah.
Okay, pick a color.
I'm doing the stars on the reindeer.
Very good. Very good. Concentrating. Well done. Good. What else? This side is all done. Here we still have just one bubble to go.
I'm going to start with red. I'm going to do this whole one red and the other side orange and yellow.
Okay. These are your favorite colors?
Yeah. Right here.
Wow,
Now
look at
yellow.
that. Red, orange, and the yellow is coming. Look at that. So beautiful.
I'm going to use red for his cheeks.
Okay. So we're completing Santa, isn't it? Santa has red cheeks. Wow.
And a red nose.
And red nose. Oh my God. Okay.
And
Last but not least.
And his buttons are black.
Okay. Great. How many buttons? 1, 2. Yeah. Good. What about his mustache?
His mustache is beige.
Okay. What else? What about his eyebrows?
His eyebrows need to be black.
So this Santa Claus is not very old. Half old. He still have black eyebrows, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Like a
Anything
like
else
a
to
gray
go?
eyebrows.
Gray, yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
look at this mug.
We forgot this part.
Okay, let's do it. What color for it?
I'm gonna use the color orange.
Okay. Oh, now you're doing something different for Santa. Oh my God. He's got red, orange, and yellow. Oh, and he looks so happy. He's saying, ho, ho, ho. It's
Our
all
mug
complete. You
It's
can hold it.
done.
Yeah. Let me see. Wow, look at that. Wow, it's so good. Do you think it's dry now?
Maybe the parts that we did at the start is dry.
Okay, then we need to put it aside to dry completely so it doesn't get messed up, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching our videos.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.